who requested this song will tshireletsa ka mangeloi, okay? So I'll use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. So if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, right? So I don't want to waste time on this one, but it's very simple, okay? So it starts right here. Uri tshireletsa ka mangeloi, ohle mori tsamaya, ke mo hlabanedi, ke mo tshireletsi. Okay, very simple. It's like 4 1 5 2 1, then you go to 4 again. Ke mo tshireletsi, o modimo wa rona, ke mo tshireletsi. Like modimo wa rona ke mo tshireletsi is like modimo wa rona. It's like 4 1 then 5 then 1, then uri tshireletsa 4 2 I mean 1 5 2 1 then 4 then 5, then you close it. That's how it is, ne? Very simple. I hope you saw it. Then this one, 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 then this one. You can see, then what? But I love doing this. Very simple, okay? So before any waste of time, let's go to C sharp, okay? No, F sharp, okay? So if you are watching this from TikTok, Facebook, and all other platforms, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? If you are watching this from TikTok, also do the same, okay? Go to my YouTube channel. Uri tshireletsa ka mangeloi, ohle mori tsamaya, ke mo hlabanedi, ke mo tshireletsi. You can see I do same things, just that this one is F sharp, okay? It's like ke mori tshireletsa ka mangeloi, ohle mori tsamaya, ke mo hlabanedi, ke mo tshireletsi. You go to this one, and then this one, then this one, then this one, okay? Then this one again, then this one, then this one, then you go to this one, then you close it, okay? So I don't want to waste time on this one. Let's jump straight to C sharp, okay? So in C sharp it starts right here. What I did, I just did something like to make it sound nicer, right? I wanted to make it sound great, like, yeah, but simple. It's say uri tshireletsa ka mangeloi, ohle mori tsamaya.